guys, it's Patty with Little Red Southern Kitchen, and today we're going to make a pot roast in the Instant Pot. Here I've got a 3-pound bottom round roast, salt and pepper, not much pepper though. In this bowl I have some carrots, onion, 4 cloves of garlic minced up, and I've got some potatoes over there I've got to slice up. I've got 4 cups of beef broth. I don't know if I'll use it. This I made with a broth base, and some red wine. And the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to turn, well, maybe I am, my Instant Pot on saute. Put some olive oil in it. Oops, sorry. See how much trimming I need to do on this roast while it heats up. Not a whole lot, I don't think, because it's still semi-frozen. But we can work with that because this is an Instant Pot. What I'm wanting to do is, I don't know if that's going to be enough olive oil or not, is I'm going to sear this on all sides. And let me get this, whoops. I actually do want to trim off some of this. This, like I said, is the bottom round, and it actually looks pretty good. Not much fat. So probably a good idea that I'm cooking an Instant Pot. Oh my, I'm sorry. This is being cantankerous. Of course, my knife probably sucks too. I need to, there we go. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and drop this in here and sear this on all 4 sides, and I'll bring you back when that part's done. Okay, I've got some bits down at the bottom. I'm going to deglaze this with a little bit of red wine. Oh. Pull this off. I'm going to turn the saute off now. Because usually I do this in a separate pan. Like I said, scrape these brown bits off. Y'all know that's goodness. Gives it all good flavor. Alright, now, with this roast, I should have salted and peppered it at the beginning, but I didn't, but it doesn't really matter. You know what? I'm out of my good pepper, so I got to do this little one. I like using that restaurant quality pepper. I like to see my pepper. Now, I did forget to mention something. I've got some creamy horseradish sauce on here. I'm not big on horseradish sauce, although I do love horsey sauce at Arby's. And this doesn't really change the, like heat-wise in a bad way. It gives it a really great flavor. Because you know horseradish is really good with all beef. And I just smear it all over. I'm not going to do the bottom because that's the fat cap. Okay. Now, at this time, hold on a minute, let me go rinse my hands. Sorry. Now I'm going to pour my beef broth over this. And then I'm going to put my veggies in here. Yep. Like I said, this is 4 cloves of garlic and 2 small onions that I chopped up. I can't ever find anything. I'm sorry. I'm not with it today. And I've scrubbed some potatoes. These are just russet potatoes. I'm going to definitely have more carrots than I do potatoes, because here in the South, even though we've got potatoes in this, when we have pot roast, we usually have rice with it as well. Because after I take all the veggies and meat out, I will be thickening up the broth in it and making a gravy. I said that I did potatoes, so I don't know what Tony did them for me because I was cutting up other veggies. I think 3 is going to be okay. Oh, did that fall in there? No, here it is. I wanted to remind everybody, whenever I hit 1,000 subscribers, I will be having a big giveaway, and I need 46 more. And I want to welcome my returning subscribers and any new subscribers. Take a look around, see what y'all like. I got all kinds of videos on here. Let me know what you might be interested in doing, in seeing me do. And hit that subscribe button. And if you hit the bell, you will be notified every time I upload a new video, which should be every... oh Lord. Which should be every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Okay, I'm sorry. I'm having... okay, there we go. Make sure you've got it to where it vent. I mean, is locked down. Or you'll lose everything. I'm going to set this for 1 hour and 5 minutes. And we'll just let the pressure build. And then we're going to do a 10-minute natural release, which I'll bring you back after we do the 10-minute, and we'll do a quick release, and we'll go from there. See you in a bit. Okay, now what I did was I let this do a natural release for 10 minutes, and then I did the quick release on it, and opened it up. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take out the meat and the veggies. Hopefully. Because I want to make a, ooh, that looks good. Gravy. It smells really good. That's hot. And also I've turned this back on saute. And what I've made is I've made a cornstarch slurry with a good tablespoon of cornstarch and a little bit of cold water and stirred it up. And what I'm shooting for here is for this to come to a boil, which is pretty hot right now. So I'm going to pour this in here so it can thicken up. And I will bring y'all back whenever it's thick. Guys, our instant pot roast is done. I'm going to go ahead and fix our plates. Like I said, here in the South, we do a little bit of rice thing. This is Tony's Father's Day meal. Some veggies. My gravy didn't really thicken up very well, but it's going to be good enough to put over the rice and over the thing. This is my plate. I ain't really all that hungry because we've been cooking all day and I've been nibbling all day. And we also did the yeast rolls today. There you go. And we got blueberry muffins over here too. Supper is ready. I hope y'all enjoy everything. Remember to like, comment, share, subscribe, because I'd love to have y'all join us. Let me know in the comments what y'all would like to see me fix, or whatever your favorite southern meal is, and we'll see what we can come up with. Y'all have a good one. Supper's ready.